Tell us about yourself. Good day, my name is Joyce Levi Ramirez, a TVL cookery student, and I am someone who loves learning through experience, especially in the kitchen field. Cooking makes me happy because it's a way to be creative and makes others happy too. I'd say I'm hardworking, patient, and willing to learn new things. What are your strengths and weaknesses? My strength is being focused and organized. When I start something, I make sure to finish it properly. And for my weakness, I get a bit shy speaking in front of many people, but I'm trying to build my confidence. Why do you think you are qualified for this position? I think I'm qualified because I'm responsible, dependable, and open to learning. I do my task seriously and try my best to give good results. I also know how to work well with others, which I think is very important. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? 5 years from now, I see myself working in a high-class restaurant or running a food small business, and I want to keep improving my cooking skills and gain more experience. How do you handle stress, teamwork, or challenges? When I'm stressed, I take a moment to breathe and focus on one thing at a time. In teamwork, I listen to their opinions, cooperate, and help my groupmates as much as I can. I see challenges as something that helps me grow and become a better. What makes you stand out from other applicants? I think what makes me stand out is my positive attitude and effort. Even when things get hard, I don't give up easily. I just keep going and try my best. Any final message to your interviewer? Thank you for the chance to share about myself. If ever I'll be given this opportunity, I'll make sure to do my best and make it worth your trust. I'm really excited to learn and grow through this experience. Thank you.